How to Make Money in Nigeria as a Teenager, a practical guide. So, you're a teenager in Nigeria, and you're tired of hearing money doesn't grow on trees from your parents. Well, it's true. Money doesn't sprout like mangoes in your backyard, but there are plenty of ways to make it sprout in your bank account. Let's dive into some practical, educational, and slightly humorous ways to start making money right now. 1. Freelancing. Your skills, your rules. If you have a knack for writing, graphic design, programming, or even social media management, freelancing might be your ticket to financial freedom. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Pro tip: make sure to create a killer profile. Think of it as your online CV. The better it looks, the more clients you'll attract. And yes, use a professional photo. No selfies, please. 2. Tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you're good at academics, why not share that knowledge and get paid for it? Subjects like mathematics, English, and science are always in demand. You can tutor younger students or even your peers. How to start? Spread the word in your school and neighborhood. Create flyers or use social media to advertise your services. Set a reasonable fee. Remember, you're still a teenager, not a PhD holder yet. 3. Agriculture. Grow and sell. Agriculture is not just for the older generation. With a small plot of land, you can grow vegetables, fruits, or even start a poultry farm. It's hard work, but it's also very rewarding. Getting started? Start small. A few chickens or a small vegetable garden. Learn from local farmers or agricultural extension officers. Sell your produce in local markets or to neighbors. 4. Vlogging. Share your passion. If you love writing or being in front of the camera, start a blog or a YouTube channel. Talk about your interests, fashion, technology, cooking, anything. With time and dedication, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Quick tips: consistency is key. Post regularly. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Be patient. Building a following takes time. 5. Handmade crafts. Turn creativity into kashif. You're good with your hands? Consider making and selling handmade crafts. This could be anything from bead jewelry, customized t-shirts, to handmade greeting cards. Steps to success: create a few samples and show them to friends and family. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your work. Participate in local fairs and markets to reach a wider audience.
6. Dropshipping. Start an online store. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without keeping any inventory. When a customer orders from your store, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your own online store. How to begin? Choose a niche. Focus on a specific category of products. Find reliable suppliers. Websites like AliExpress and Oberlo are good places to start. Promote your store through social media and online ads. 7. Part-time jobs. Gain experience and earn money. Part-time jobs are a great way to make some money while gaining valuable work experience. Look for opportunities in retail stores, fast food restaurants, or even as an office assistant. Finding jobs. Ask around in your community. Check online job portals like Jobberman or MyJobMag. Be prepared for interviews. Dress neatly and be punctual. 8. Digital marketing. Become a social media guru. You're a social media enthusiast. Why not turn it into a money-making venture? Many small businesses need help with managing their social media accounts and running digital marketing campaigns. Starting out, take online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy to learn the basics. Offer your services to local businesses. Build a portfolio to showcase your successes. Final thoughts: stay smart and safe while making money is exciting. It's essential to stay safe and smart about it. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and always discuss your plans with a trusted adult. Remember, the goal is to make money, not lose it. And there you have it, a practical guide to making money as a teenager in Nigeria. It's a blend of hard work, creativity, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. So, get out there and start making your financial dreams a reality. There you have it. Please like and subscribe to Envision IQ for more informative videos.